Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can select the same object type in your documents or canvas on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. So head over to your document, and there are two ways how you can do this, guys. So let me go with this example canvas here, and let me add one rectangle and a second one. So these two are actually the same object type, right? It's a shape, it's a rectangle, and it's not a text box, for example, or I don't know, a hand drawing or something like that. So what you want to do in the first method is right click into the given object, hover mouse over select same, and choose object type. There's a shortcut Shift Alt A. And after that, all objects with the same type on your canvas will be selected so that you may move them, group them, and so on and so forth. The other option would be to and do the same here in your layers and objects tab. Right click into the given object of your layer, hover mouse over select same, and apply the same method. However, guys, as you can see, if I, for example, for demonstration purposes, add a text box to our canvas and type in, I don't know, example text, and choose to select on the top left, and do the same again with these rectangles. Select same object type. The text box won't be selected, as you can see, because as explained at the beginning of this tutorial, that's where text boxes are a different object type than shapes, for example, or hand drawing. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.